College is just a word, but Navodaya is an emotion.
Hi, I'm Anant Manoj, data migration expert from Wipro, and this is my college, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. I studied here from 6th to 12th, that is from 2008 to 2014. I can recall, Navodaya is not just an education system, it is like a home for all of us.
Every time I visit JNV, the memories refurnishes my golden days spent there. The jogging in the morning, the classes, tasty food, evening games and all that. Talking about the education systems and teachers, they are one among the best. The experienced teachers along with well-equipped facilities are just what required for the students to achieve their goal. Now they just don't focus on the marks but overall development of a student. NCC, sports and cultural meet, arts and science conferences and whatnot. The migration system is one that no other education institute may have. All this helped me to improve my personality to become self-reliant, determined and focused.
Welcome.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Thank you.
I'm very much delighted to meet you after a long time.
Yeah.
It gives me an immense pleasure to meet our accomplished alumni whenever they come back after their long journey back to their alma mater. And the experience what you share with our students and staff is of immense help, and we also recognize the glorious contribution given by the accomplished alumni to this Vidyalaya in the form of building good infrastructure, Atal Tinkering Lab, and donating tablets to the needy students of this Vidyalaya. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And I convey our wholehearted gratitude on behalf of all members of the staff to you alumni. How you feel about your journey in Navodaya?
Talking about my journey, it is like fabulous. One of the best thing happened in my life.
Right.
So I joined here from 6th to 12th actually, and those things what I have learned here, it comes totally useful in outside world. The culture that we learn, the traditions and all. Education is one of the best here. That no other words for that. Yeah.
It's really very elated to listen from you, and this will be transformed into the minds of your younger generation.
Yeah.
So keep visiting the Vidyalaya.
Sure.
And meet your younger siblings and younger brothers and sisters, and keep motivating them, and it will be one of the good track and path finding for them when the juniors learn the pathways of the accomplished alumni. So your visit gives us a lot of joy and glory. We are very happy, and keep your association with the Navodaya.
Sure.
And travel along with us in order to give better pathways to our younger generation. Fine.
May I come in?
Yes, come.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Excellent. Sit down.
I'm alumni of this college from 2014 batch.
Which year?
Uh, 2014.
14.
Yeah, from 2007 to 14.
Okay. So what are you doing here?
I'm a project engineer in Wipro. And actually data migration expert.
You are Anant.
Yeah, Anant.
Working at Bangalore.
Yeah, working.
So what do you feel about your achievements in Navodaya? How did it help you to?
Yeah, the teachers, you can say, taught us like how can we handle all the situations, and accept the educations they give, the fabulous education they give. They actually teach us the culture, how to adjust with other peoples, and also that helps us a lot in the outside world.
Okay. So you are saying that Navodaya helped you really?
Yeah, really.
It's very good, and we are very happy to see your alumnus always. You are welcome to Vidyalaya.
Thank you. Thank you.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನಿನ್ನ ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿನ ಘಟನೆ ಹೇಳು. ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿನ ಘಟನೆ.
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆವಾಗ ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಕಿಶೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಯಾವಾಗ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾಯ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಗುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಿ. ಆಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತು ಸಹ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ನವೋದಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Hello Anand, how are you?
Fine. How are you?
I'm fine. So you tell me your journey since you left Navodaya. Since that time, what all happened?
I took PCMC. After that, I joined a college in Mangalore, Canara Engineering College. There I took computer science as my branch. Actually, I got interested in computers here itself in JNE, as our teachers were all the best. So they give us such a good practical experience and all. And after that, I got into Wipro in my placements, and now I'm working as a software engineer.
What message you want to give to our new coming students to JNE?
For the newcoming students, I can say Navodaya is a place where every dreams come true. They will look after your dreams and they will make you work for that and achieve that goals. So don't feel bad that you have left the home and settled in these hostels, but it's a good experience. That's what I want to say for our newcomers.
Very good. All the best.
Thank you.
And thank you for giving an inspiring message. And we'll keep in touch.
Yeah, sure.
Do visit Vidyalaya.
Sure.
And all the best. Good luck.
Thank you.
I am proud to be a Navodayan.